Alright guys, today we are making the best iftar Bangladeshi guy can offer. So the chickpeas have been soaked in water from the night before, and I've got some onions and some potatoes, and I've got some oils. So these are the basic things you need to begin. So the chickpeas in the beginning is going to be a little light colored, but it's going to be a gentle brown color at the end. I'm going to start boiling the potatoes for the potato balls that I'm going to make. So in order to make potato ball, I'm going to chop up some onion. Alrighty, next step, just put some oil in there. It's preferably mustard oil. And along with that, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper and red chilli. And finally chop some parsley in there. In order to get the potato balls to stick together after deep frying them into oil, you're gonna need 1 egg and also 1 cup of breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs are gonna hold it together and the eggs are gonna bind it together. First eggs, then breadcrumb, then back into eggs, and then straight into freaking hot oil. Okay, once it's done, it's gonna be golden brown in color, and then you immediately want to get it out of the way. Oh wait, Alan Babaji's at the house. Let's see what he is cooking today.
Butter chicken.
Oh भाई मारो मुझे मारो
কি পোর্ট্রেট নিবা?
কি পোর্ট্রেট? আরে মিয়া আমরা ভিডিও করতেছি, ব্লগ করতেছি। Alright, enough of the fun. Next, we're gonna make some lentil pops. So in order to make this, you need 1 cup of lentil. Make sure you wash your lentils before you put it into the mixer, because the more water it has, the better it is. Here we're putting some salt, onions, some parsley, along with a little bit of oil. As I said earlier, you need a lot of water. We literally fried our Mr. Blender because it's too much for him.
2 hours later.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1 eternity later.
কি বলে মানে সাবটাইটেল দাও, সাবটাইটেল সাবটাইটেল কই ইয়া কি
আর খাওয়াইতেছে, আচার খাওয়াই দিয়েছে। আমি এই যে এত ছোট
In order to make the lentil pops crispy, you need to put some flour in there. It's gonna make a whole lot of difference. So now we're just gonna put it into the oil and fry it up. হয়েছে ঈদ
লবণ আরেকটু দিতে পারেন।
একটু লাগবে, লবণ লাগবে একটু। Once it's all done, you should have a yellow kind of texture in the middle. Once everything is done, time to mix it up. Put it all in a bowl, put some tomatoes, put some lemon and onions and a little bit of salt and pepper, and mix it up and enjoy.
¿Con quién voy a compartir todas mis noches húmedas? Ahora quién me va a dar los besos como tú los das. Todo es una ilusión y eso lo verás. Tú amabas a Nico pero nunca a Nicolás. Tú eras la oveja mala del rebaño. Tu vicio a la fama sin me...
কতটুক বলিও?
Oh, multitudinous.